Once, under a soft silver moon, there was a little garden at the edge of town. This garden was not like other gardens. It was magical. It listened. It grew only when children spoke kind words. In the town lived the friends Emma, Noah, Lily, and Jack. They loved to play near the garden. The flowers were so bright, the leaves were so green, and the air always smelled sweet. One morning, Emma bent down and whispered, "Good morning, little flowers." Instantly, the roses opened wide and the daisies lifted their heads. The whole garden seemed to smile. Noah saw this and added, "You are all so beautiful." The tulips began to glow, and the sunflowers stretched even taller toward the sun. Lily started to sing a little song. "We love you." The vines on the walls curled happily, and the blossoms danced in the gentle breeze. Jack laughed with joy and shouted, "You make us so happy." As he said it, the garden began to shine with all the colors of a rainbow. The children were amazed and delighted. But one day, something changed. The children started to argue. Emma pointed at a flower and said, "I want that red rose." Noah shouted back, "No, it's mine." Lily frowned, her arms crossed. "You never share anything." Jack stomped his foot on the ground. "Stop bossing me around." The magical garden listened to their angry words slowly. The bright flowers began to droop. The green leaves turned a dull gray. The beautiful blossoms closed up tight, and the sweet air grew heavy and sad. Emma gasped, looking around. "What's happening to the garden?" Noah whispered, his eyes wide. I think the garden is sad." Lily looked at her friends and said softly, "It hears our words." Jack nodded, finally understanding. "Well, it's when we fight." The children sat down quietly on the grass. They looked at the fading, colorless flowers and felt very sorry. They knew they had to fix this. Emma reached out and gently touched a drooping rose. "I'm sorry," she said. The rose slowly lifted its head. Noah looked at Emma and said, "I will share." At his words, the tulips started to open again. Lily smiled at her friends. "You are my friends, and I'm happy to be with you." The daisies perked up, blooming brightly. Jack looked at everyone and whispered, "I respect you." The tall sunflowers stretched high once more, reaching for the sky. Just like that, the garden glowed with life again. The vibrant colors returned. The blossoms danced in the breeze, and the air filled with that sweet, familiar scent. From that day on, the children never forgot the lesson. They always spoke with kind words, not just to the garden, but to each other. They said, "Thank you." They said, "Please." They reminded each other, "You are special, and we care." And the garden, it grew brighter and more beautiful than ever before. The flowers sparkled under the moon, the vines curled like festive ribbons, and the blossoms seemed to sing in the wind. The children had learned a wonderful secret. Respectful and kind words are like water for the heart. They help friendships bloom and make the world a gentler, stronger place for everyone. Every evening, Emma, Noah, Lily, and Jack would sit together in their magical garden. They told stories, they sang songs, and they shared endless laughter, and the garden listened, growing more splendid with every happy moment. The magical garden taught them something very true. Respectful words nurture growth in everything. And everyone around us, this was a MoonLesson. Sweet dreams, little dreamers. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed our story, please like and subscribe for more adventures.